Hello friends, the Danzzy Tech World community would like to wish you a Merry Christmas in this festive season and welcome back. What happens when you have a lot of activities to do on your PC but still need your phone at some point in time to get some information? Maybe to make a quick call or copy a picture for use. Phone Companion or your phone is an app built by Microsoft to do just that. By using the app, you can swiftly make phone calls, receive and reply to notifications, and also send messages with your PC. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share on your various platforms. Pause the video and install the app on your phone before we continue. Once you are done, let's begin the process with the PC. The app by default is installed on the PC. In case you can't find it, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. We click on the Get Started and then sign in with our Microsoft account. A Microsoft account can be created with your Gmail or any other email in case you need one. We then pair our phone and PC. On our phone, we open the app and scan the QR code. At this stage, we need to give the app some permissions to be able to function well. Sync over mobile data is recommended if the phone is not connected to a Wi-Fi. And we are all set. Let's now explore the features Microsoft has included. We can share links through our connected devices, manage and respond to our notifications. We can view and use our photos found in our phone, make and receive calls, and we also have some few controls included. For instance, Bluetooth can be turned on to make calls, Do Not Disturb can be enabled, and the music playing on the phone can be controlled. Let's start with the first option in the tab, which is notifications, and we will be replying to a message I sent from my other WhatsApp account, and then we dismiss all the notifications. The messages section, just like the notification section, has similar features. Next is the Photos tab, which provides you with the first 200 recent pics, which can be copied and used on the PC. With the Call section, make sure this has been enabled under the Features section, and we can try to make a call now.
Diner must be registered again with only the Ghana card. You will not be able to make voice calls. Use mobile money services.
Well, is this a feature worth your time, and will you try it out? Let us know in the comment section. Join this community by subscribing. Tap the like button to help us and share across your social media platforms. Select any of the videos for more and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.